welcome back to my channel. I am back for another video. If you haven't been here before, my name is Lorraine and my channel is Lorelux, where I focus on fashion, luxury, lifestyle and travel. So if you like that too, which you do, that's why you clicked on this video. Make sure you press that subscribe button and click that notification bell, so every single time I upload a video you are automatically notified. So on today's video I've got a few goodies to show you guys. If you watched my Black Friday come shopping with me video, which I will put on the cards or in the description box below, you will know that I purchased a few goodies, which I'm so excited. I literally have not opened anything. I've been waiting to share with you guys. So I've got a few luxury items. I went to Bicester Village, which is an outlet where they do discounted items, luxury items. So I had a few things that were on my wish list that I wanted to get. I only managed to get a couple bits that were on my wish list, and then one other thing which wasn't on my wish list but I just had to get because it was such a bargain. So I'm going to talk you through the specs of each thing, where I bought it from, why I bought it, if it was on my wish list and how much it was and all that good stuff. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you everything because I haven't opened it. So this is literally an unboxing. So here you go. I'm not sure if you can see properly, but 3 huge boxes. Well, 1 huge box and two small bags here. Right. So I'll leave the Balenciaga till last, and then we'll start with True Religion. I've never actually bought anything from True Religion. Like, I don't actually own anything from them. But we went in there, browsing around. As I said, there were a few like sales and like discounts and stuff, so I really wanted to make the most of it. So as I was, you know, browsing and perusing, I saw this t-shirt and I just thought, oh my gosh, this is a bit of May. This is a bit of May. So I just had to have it. So this is the t-shirt that I'll show you. It is a camouflage t-shirt. Is it just not like divine? Like, look at it. It is absolutely lush. Like, I just feel like the camouflage print is just so rich. Like, you know like when you're editing a picture and it says vibrant. This here is vibrant and like no edit. Like, I just love it. So it's got the True Religion logo right across the front here. I bought it in a size, what size is this? Extra large, because you know your girl loves an oversized when it comes to t-shirts. I just think this will be so cute. You can pair this up with a lot of things, you know, jeans, leggings, just a whole lot of things. Just feel like camouflage is a staple item in your wardrobe. It's got that khaki, the browns, those kind of colours, which I feel like will never go out of fashion. When it comes to luxury, I don't tend to buy a lot of clothing items because I just feel like, I don't know, it's just such a waste of money. Like, I like to like accessorize with luxury items as opposed to actually, you know, head to toe I'm dressed in designer. Like, it's really not worth it. But I find that I do tend to pick up quite a few designer t-shirts because I think they're quite simple looking, like not all one of those which are like, you know, all up in your face. For example, the one that I'm wearing at the moment, like this Givenchy t-shirt, like it's black, it's got the logo here. So very simple. So that's what I tend to go for if I am going for a t-shirt. So this was originally £89, right? So this is the retail price. I'm not sure how much the original price was at Bicester Village, but when I saw it, it was £20. Like, are you dumb? Do you really think I was going to leave this there? No ma'am, no ma'am, I was not about to leave this there. So I just think this is such a bargain, and I know you guys are so gel, like I know you are, because look at this. This is not only a camouflage t-shirt, this is a True Religion camouflage t-shirt. Like, come on, let's go. So this is the first thing that I bought and I absolutely love it. And this was not on my wish list, as I said. I've never bought anything from True Religion before, but because I got this cute little purchase, I feel like I might actually start just browsing there and just see what other bits that they have. So that's the first thing. The second thing, honey, okay, has been on my wish list for the longest time. So not particularly the designer item, but the actual item, if you know what I mean. I've always wanted a card holder. That's one thing that I've always wanted. I think as time is progressing, like, we are going like less and less and more minimalistic. So, you know, back in the day we used to have like the big handbags, and like now there's like the tiny handbags, and now people are moving away from purses and more into card holders. So I really wanted a Fendi card holder. I'll put it somewhere up here so you can actually see which one I wanted. Now, because it's so on trend at the moment, well, you know, if you are sort of in a luxury community, you would know that it's absolutely on trend at the moment. Everybody is getting their hands on it. It's quite expensive. Even though I love luxury, I just feel like there's certain prices for certain items I feel like I'm not gonna spend above £300 for a card holder, like, no matter how much I love it. So anyway, I digress. So when I was in Bristol Village, I went into Burberry. I actually don't own anything that's Burberry, funny enough. So I was browsing in there, just looking to see what they have. Didn't even really have anything in mind. And I saw this card holder, honey. I was just like, are you okay? Are you dumb? And guess where it was? Guess where this was? This was in the men's section. Yeah, so you play yourselves by just sticking to like the female sections, because sometimes you don't know what you'll find in men's section. Like I said before, that t-shirt, for example, True Religion t-shirt, is from the men's section, okay? And this card holder is from the men's section. So anyway, it comes in this bag, which obviously says Burberry. It's really cute. I believe Burberry's actually an English brand, so it's got that sort of traditional feel to it. It doesn't come in a box or anything, so it comes in this little pouch here, which I'll show you, which says Burberry. It's got that sort of cream beigey look. The inside is really soft and fluffy. And this is the card holder. Like, can we stand, or can we just stand? Like, can you see this? This is just so lush. I just love the fact that it's just so simple. I think that's why I really wanted to get a card holder, because it's something that's just quite simple. You're not doing the most, you're not putting in a lot of effort. But because it's got the Burberry print here, it just gives me that elevated look. Like if I'm at freaking McDonald's, yeah, getting myself a McFlurry, because I love a McFlurry. If I pull this out, yeah, I'm gonna, you know, look like I got a whole lot of money, honey, when I'm just getting me a McFlurry, okay? So that's what I really love about this. As I said, it doesn't really say Burberry on it, but like if you know luxury, honey, you just know that this is Burberry, because this is Burberry print. So it comes in different compartments. So it's got this 3 compartments on this side, so you can put 1, 2 cards on this side, and then you can put 1, 2 cards on this side, and then it's got this huge, the big compartment in the middle. So again, you can put either like cards, or if you do happen to have maybe some notes or anything, you can put that in there. It does come with, yeah, just this thing that just holds it into place, really, this cardboard box which says Burberry, really. In terms of pricing, I'm not sure the retail price, but what I might do, I might put the retail price and the Bristol Village price here, so you can see like the difference and stuff. So the original Bristol Village price was £150, right, and I got this for £105, which I love. Again, a lot of people, like, this is not for everybody. I should have made a disclaimer at the beginning that by me showing this, I'm not saying that for you to look good or for you to have a bit of accomplishment or something, you need to have luxury items. This is something that I love, that I enjoy, and that's what I spend my money on. People love different things and they spend money on different things. So if this is not your kind of thing, I'm sorry. Like, this is not me trying to show off or anything, girl, because you know I love a bargain, so, or whatever. So anyway, I know £105 is quite a lot of money for a card holder, but this is Burberry, so I think this is quite a bargain. So this is one of the things. As I said, this was on my wish list in terms of Fendi being the card holder I wanted. Your question is, am I going to get a Fendi card holder? Most likely, yes I am. It won't be anytime soon because I already have this, but it's still on my wish list, and hopefully it will go down in price. You know, Fendi does have some sales here and there, so I'm hopeful. Right, so the last thing, which I know y'all been waiting on, okay, is Balenciaga. So, as you can tell, it is a massive, massive, massive box that it comes in, right? I have had this item on my wish list for a long while. Before I had it on my wish list, I hated it. When it first came out, I thought, what in the hell is this? I just thought, not every day, like it was just, looked disgusting. I thought it was, yeah, just disgusting and like not nice, and I just thought I would never waste my money on this. But as time progressed, oh, sorry, I'm struggling to get out. Ooh, one sec. One sec. Oh, child. Right, got there in the end. As time progressed, like, you know, I would go shopping, I would try it, like, I would see it, I'd be like, walk past it, but the more I started to see it, the more I started to, like, think, it's alright, you know, it's not too bad. So, I tried it a couple of times when I was in Selfridges, and kind of banged, right? And I just thought, yeah, I'm going to have this on my wish list. And I have a certain pair, a certain colour, which I actually do have on my wish list still, that I still want to get. And I'm not going to tell y'all until I get it, okay? Just know that I have another colour that I also still want to get, but I'm not going to share what colour that is. So, went to Bicester Village now, not even thinking that this would be an item that I would get, even though it was on my wish list. Went into Balenciaga, and what do we see? We see, so obviously this is a shoebox, so you can just tell. This is the shoebox, and this is what it comes in. And if you've already guessed, if you already know, if you have seen my Bicester Village vlog, you already know what this is, because I actually tried it on in store, and I showed you guys while I was trying it on. So it is the triple S's. Oh, I am in love. Look at these. I mean, just a moment of silence, please. Just a moment. We just need a moment. I absolutely love these. So these are the Balenciaga triple S's. As I said, I could not stand these when I first came, because I just thought they were so huge. They look like these dad shoes. They look just too stonky and too big and too chunky. Because there's still an ongoing frenzy of chunky trainers, and I just thought, oh my god, they just want to jump on the hype or whatever. But I absolutely love this. So it comes with like your size that's on here, so it would actually say what size you are, and I'm a size 6, which is size 39, which is what it says here. I love this colorway. It's got a bit of red here on the right hand side. It's got a bit of yellow on the left hand side, and at the back here it's got some blue, and all over it's just got like a black and grey. The reason why I love this, right, is the fact that I feel like it's going to go with a lot of things. I feel like if you dress like very simple, like in black, white, like in your neutral colours, you could wear this. If you then want to wear a pop of colour in terms of the colours that are on here, you could wear that as well. So it's something that I feel like I'm going to get a lot of wear out of. I absolutely love this. So they're so comfortable. As I said, I've tried them on. What I might actually do, let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want me to do a review on the Balenciaga triple S's, just so I can talk more about it in more depth. So just let me know. In terms of pricing, yeah, in terms of pricing, the original price is £695, and they were £455. So you already know. I do have to make a disclaimer, okay? I did not pay for this just by myself, because you know, okay, I don't have a whole lot of money, honey. So I got a whole lot of help in terms of paying for these. I don't want you coming for me and saying, oh my god, yeah, whatever, okay? That's the money that was spent on these trainers, £455, but I did not pay for these by myself. So, okay, whatever. So, I love these. Like, I might do a review on them like in a separate video just to go into more detail, because I haven't worn them yet. I might actually wear them out, like test them out, see if they're like, you know, practical, all that good stuff, and then I'll come back and let you guys know. So that's the end of that video, guys. I actually did not go ham. I did not get a lot of things, but I feel like I got good items. I got good, you know, gems and goodies, which I absolutely love. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys like this kind of thing, in terms of me showing you what I bought, in terms of showing you what's on my wish list, what I do want to buy. I don't buy luxury items all the time on a daily basis, but when I do get something, I make sure that it's something that I absolutely love and something that I'm gonna wear a lot of times. And I might again do a video in terms of how to look for luxury items and that kind of thing. So let me know again if that's something that you would like to see. So that's the end of that, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please, as always, make sure that you like the video. If you like it, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day, night, evening, wherever you are, and I'll see you back here in my next video. Bye, guys.